Heave ho! Hello, tiny tugboats. Welcome to our first book review. From the Milkshake and Cartoonito TV series Toot the Tiny Tugboat, this is the first book called Toot and Pop by Sebastian Braun. A tiny tugboat on an enormous adventure. Let's read it. Toot and Pop. Let's see, there's Toot. Toot and Pop by Sebastian Braun. First published in paperback in Great Britain by HarperCollins Children's Books in 2010. This edition published in 2014. 13579108642. ISBN 978-000-812629-2. HarperCollins Children's Books is a division of HarperCollins Publishers Limited. Text and illustrations copyright Sebastian Braun 2010-2014. The author-illustrator asserts the moral right to be identified as the author-illustrator of the work. A CIP catalogue record for this title is available from the British Library. All rights reserved. No part of this publication may be reproduced, stored in a retrieval system, or transmitted in any form or by any means, electronic, mechanical, photocopying, recording, or otherwise, without the prior permission of HarperCollins Publishers Limited, 1 London Bridge Street, 9GF. Visit our website at www.harpercollins.co.uk. Printed and bound in Italy. HarperCollins Children's Books. For Sue and Judith SB. Special thanks to Wayne. Let's begin. Toot, toot, toot. This is Toot. Hello, Toot. He is a very strong little tugboat. Every day, Toot works in the harbour, pulling all the big, heavy loads. Heave ho! Then he guides all the great big boats safely out to sea. Toot, 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 he says, follow me. One day, a brand new boat was going to be launched at the harbour. Toot couldn't wait to see it. He rushed off to the dock. And what a boat it was! You are enormous, gasped Toot. I know, said the new boat. I'm Pop. He sounded his horn proudly. I'm Toot, said Toot. It's my job to help you around the harbour. You, exclaimed Pop. I'm big and strong. I don't need help from anyone, especially you. Puff, 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 puff. Before Toot could reply, Pop revved his engine and thick black smoke filled the harbour. Where are you? Spluttered Toot. I can't see a thing. Out of my way! Cried Pop, gathering speed. I'm going out to sea. Arg, arg. Huge waves swirled behind him, rocking and knocking all the boats into one another. Watch out! Screamed Lenny the lighthouse. But it was too late. Crash! Pop went straight into the seawall and came to a stop. His engine was broken. The harbour master came rushing out. Silly Pop, look what you've done. He wouldn't wait for Toot, said Lenny. Well, now you'll just have to let Toot take you back to the dock to be mended. the harbour master told Pop crossly. No sooner he had spoken than Toot came rushing to the rescue. Slowly, Toot tugged Pop all the way to the harbour dock. "Don't worry, Pop," he said. "I'll make sure you get back safely. Hold on tight. Toot, toot, toot!" Soon, Pop was settled into the dock, ready to be fixed. "I'm sorry, Toot," he said. "I should have let you do your job. Please, will you help me when I'm back in the water?" "Of course I will," said Toot kindly. That's what friends are for. Toot sailed happily back across the harbour. "Well done, Toot," said Lenny. "Toot, toot, toot. It's all in a day's work," said Toot. The end. Toot the tiny tugboat works hard every day, helping all the big boats at the harbour. That is, until the day a huge new ship, Pop, is launched. Who doesn't want help from anyone, especially Toot? But soon, Pop finds himself in terrible danger. What can little Toot do to come to the rescue? An exciting adventure full of action and bravery. You can collect the whole series, Toot and Pop, Digger and Skip, Whoosh and Chug, and Mac and Muck. There's a barcode and a bird and a seagull. UK £6.99. Canada $10.99. This was there. Toot the Tiny Tugboat was seen on TV. It's also seen on S4C in Wales, Milkshake Channel 5 and Cartoonito in UK. Okay, thanks for watching this Toot the Tiny Tugboat book and stay tuned for more books. Bye. Let's give a little toot toot from Toot. Bye everyone.